What's up, guys? Today we're working on some of my motorcycles. We got stalled up the scooter moped, but I was working on it and it's just not wanting to stall up. Well, it's not wanting to fire up. So I tried putting scalding fluid into it. That didn't work. Tried putting a new carburetor into it. That didn't work. I tried putting a new spark plug into it. That didn't work. I've got a brand new CR7 spark plug. That didn't work. Just won't start up. Anybody got questions to help me figure out how to get my bike going? Please answer them. See, it won't start. Turns over but won't start. Let me know in the comments.